Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to connect TradeStation to our website. Here you have to select for TradeStation. Then we go to TradeStation connection. Here you have to add connection. In TradeStation username, you have to enter the TradeStation username. And in environment you have to enter environment, either it is simulator or live. Here we will select on create. Then you have to agree the terms and condition. When you click on authenticate, it will redirect you to TradeStation website. Here you have to enter username and password, and just log in. Here you have to enter the one-time password. Here my authentication has been successful. Now we will go to generate alert. Here you have to select TradeStation. In alert type, you can select strategy or indicator. We will be going with strategy. In instrument type, we will be selecting futures. In TradingView symbol, I am selecting gold be continuous contract. If your strategy is having inbuilt take profit or predefined take profits, then here you can select yes. Otherwise you can select no. Then is risk management, it will ask you for placing take profit and stop loss. Here I will select yes. In stop loss and take profit type, here are 5 types, which are point in dollars from entry price, percentage, price, ticks, and total profit or loss. So first, we will go with points in dollars. So as lot size of gold mini is 50, so as I entered 11 here, so the stop loss for one contract will be $550. And as I entered 12 here, the take profit for one contract will be $600. Now we will go with the percentage. So if I entered 5 here, then it will give 5% less than the entry price. And to take profit, it will give 5% more than the entry price. For price, here you have to check the variables from PickMyTrade, for which variable the value is coming for stop loss and take profit. For ticks, you have to enter the values in ticks. So if I enter 5 here, so tick size of one tick of gold mini is 12.5. So here the total loss for one contract will be 62.5. And same for take profit. For total profit or loss, it will give the absolute value of stop loss and take profit as you entered. So if I enter 500 here, so it will give you a 500 stop loss for one contract. Same for the take profit. So here I am going with points in dollars. Now here it will ask if we want to add multiple accounts. I am selecting here NO. Then I will click on generate alert. Here you have to place PickMyTrade connection name and TradeStation account name. Here it created an alert for me. In this JSON, if the reverse order closes true, so if your entry order is placed for buy, and if you get sell order as a second order, with reverse order close true. So the entry order for buy will be closed and new short position will get placed. So I will click here, so my JSON will get copied. Then you will go to your TradingView. Then you will go to this option. Then you have to click on the plus icon. Here in settings, here you have to select your strategy you are using, and here in this message box, you have to paste your copied JSON. Now you will go back to PickMyTrade, and click here on copy webhook URL, and in the notification section, you have to paste this URL here. And when you click on create, your alert will be generated. Now, as my chart is for 1 minute time frame, my alert is generated for 1 minute. So, by mistake you generated it for 1 minute and want to change it for 5 minutes, so in this case, you can just select this edit option, and in the interval, you have the option to change it. Now I can change it to 5 minutes and just save it. So whenever your alert gets generated, you will be notified here in the log section. Here you can see, the buy order has been placed at 8th of May, 2025, at Indian Standard Time. We can check it on TradeStation's website as well. Here you can see, a gold mini positions has been opened. Stop loss and take profit order also get placed. So if my entry price is 3,373.75. So here as you can see, the stop loss is placed with $100 of difference at 3,273.75. And take profit is placed at 3,473.75. Now we will check with the sell order and reverse order true. So this sell order will be cancelled, new buy order and new short position will get placed. So we will place sell order with reverse order true. So here as you can see, a short position for gold mini has been created. The old short position for sell has been cancelled, and new take profit and stop loss for short position has been opened. Now we will check with the close. So here all the open orders has been cancelled and the buy order has been placed.